Now, there is this problem that is faced by most Android phones. The phone keeps on telling you, please check your internet connection and try again. It's really annoying because it's continuous, and no matter which app you're using, it's always on top of it. Let's try opening WhatsApp. WhatsApp Business. It opens but the notification or the message is always on top and keeps on coming. Every app you open it pops on top of it. Even though you try airplane mode, it's still the same story. Even if you restart the phone it will come again. Here is the solution, it's simple and quick. Let's get back to our Wi-Fi connection. The solution is simple. Use a VPN. In this case I'll use this cool VPN. I'll accept this since it's my first time to use it on my phone. This is an ad, I'll skip it. I downloaded this from the Play Store. Just connect the VPN like this and the problem is solved. You won't see the pop-up again even if you turn the VPN off. As you can see, when we disconnect the VPN, the problem is no more. It's tech on as usual. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you found this video interesting, give us a like. Thank you.